These are the 5 things that you need to do in my experience to deploy AI successfully into your business. If you want to know exactly how to do it, transcribe this video, drop it into your favorite AI client and ask. If your AI still needs you to explain your business every time you open a new chat, you don't have leverage. You have another task. And I think this is where most business owners get it wrong when they're working with AI. They open up ChatGPT or Claude and ask it a random question. They get a random answer. They copy and paste it. And then they call that productivity, but that's not the highest use of AI in my experience. That's just a conversation. The real opportunity is building AI into an operating system that is your business, because if AI doesn't understand your mission, your message, your brand, your offers, your clients, your workflows, your goals, your red lines, then every conversation starts from zero. And starting from zero every single day is not leverage. It's more drag on your day when you're working with AI. So if you want to create time back margin, if you want to create leverage inside of your business, here are the 5 things that I've learned in real time. Number 1, give your AI an identity. Don't just treat it as a search box. Define the roles. What is it responsible for? How should it communicate? What should it never say? What direction can it support? And when should it escalate the item to a human? The moment you define the roles of AI, AI stops acting generic and starts becoming useful. Number 2, build a company operating system. This is where you document your business. You document your mission, your vision, your message, your brand voice, your offers, your audience, your policies, your frameworks, your style guide, what it is that you want it to create and how it is that you want it to look, your customer journey from initial contact all the way through satisfied 5-star review, all of your processes, because most people don't need better prompts. And this is where a lot of people get stuck in the noise. They need better context when they're working with AI. AI performs better when it understands the world that it's operating in. Number 3, create a memory layer. If you have to keep explaining the same things over and over again, you don't have a system. You have a repeated conversation, and AI needs to know what happened yesterday in order to perform best, what projects are active, what decisions were made, what follow-ups are pending, and what needs to happen next. You see, context is incredibly important when you're talking and working with AI, so creating a memory system is imperative. That's how it moves from a one-off assistant to an actual operating support. Number 4, define communication standards. AI should not speak the same way everywhere. A client update is different than an internal note. A morning brief is different from a sales follow-up. A quick response is different from a strategy document. So define the rules. When should AI be brief? When should it go deep? And when should it ask for approval? When should it stay quiet? And when should it escalate to a human? That's how you protect your voice, your standards. That's how you protect your brand when using AI. Number 5, connect it to real business outcome. This is where AI becomes leverage. Can it help create morning briefs? Can it prepare the next task list that you're working on? Can it generate content for your company operating system? Can it analyze what worked yesterday? Can it support follow-ups? Can it help the owner stop being the bottleneck within the business? Can it actually strategize for you and create a roadmap from where you're at today to where you want to go? That's where the shift comes in. Now, not as a chatbot, AI is part of your business operating system. And this is where it shines, because what we figured out is we figured out how to utilize AI to walk out in real time, building a business, building, testing, breaking, fixing, learning every single day and moving incrementally closer to our business goal. We call it a lifestyle business, where we clearly define where we're at, where we're going, and how we're going to get there. And we utilize AI in order to execute that. AI should not create more noise in your business. It should create margin. It should help you protect time. It should help you move from an operator to a systems engineer, because the goal is not just a smart tool. The goal is better business, a business with clarity, a business with alignment, a business with direction, a business that creates leverage every single day, that has clearly defined incremental growth, a business that gives you your time back. So if this resonates with you, comment time back on this video. I'll send you a framework that we utilize in order to deploy AI into our business and client organization. If you know a business owner that's still using AI randomly, like and share this video with them, because clarity, alignment, these are gifts worth giving. And if you'd like to learn more, remember, stay close, my friend.